space telescope James Webb JWST worked only for a year, but his discovery has already created our understanding of the universe. This is not just a high-end space camera. This reveals the secret of surprising scientists with a superpower window to space. Some of the images taken by JWST are so strange that they challenge all well-known explanations. Among them, there are far star and WR-140 surrounded by square rings, so we first speculated about external giant structures. The current theory suggests illusions, but this discovery reminds us that the space is full of unexpected puzzles. Looking into space dust through a powerful JWST infrared sensor, it shows the heavenly body and structure hidden in the previous telescope. His amendment to his famous creation columns opened a small star that was only hundreds of thousands of years and raised interesting questions about the formation. Can this huge space structure be artificial? A simple sentence causes astronomers to wake up at night. Another amazing image comes from the Pandora cluster, a chaotic clash of the galaxy. The JWST observation shows 50,000 infrared light points, each of which is potential galaxy. Nevertheless, the gravity distortion around them is embarrassed. Can this be the influence of dark substances, or is there an unknown power in the game? The telescope was also a glimpse of the initial universe and found a galaxy that existed in hundreds of thousands of years after the Big Bang. But there is a problem that these galaxies are much more advanced than age. Like a completely grown tree appears in the middle of the barren desert. Scientists now face the difficult task of reconsideration as the galaxy is formed and developed. As you get closer to home, JWST has a wonderful view of Phantom Galaxy, located 33 million light-years. The sensor found a hidden dust cloud and a medium black hole in the center. The ability to detect such small details of the telescope provides a new understanding of astronomers' galaxy evolution and the nature of these mysterious space giants. JWST observation goes beyond the framework of deep space and provides the clearest image of the navel rings over decades, revealing the atmospheric details that suggest the strong breeze surrounding the equator of the Earth. Meanwhile, his observation of Saturn's lunar Titan showed a bright methane cloud, which further confirmed the state of one of the most terrestrial bodies in the solar system. Can you maintain a hint of how life-rich environments can develop under extreme conditions? One of the biggest mysteries in modern astronomical physics is the dark material and dark energy, which constitutes 95% of the universe. JWST observations can help to reveal this invisible power. While dark material acts as an invisible forest that unites galaxies, the dark energy accelerates the expansion of the universe. Understanding these power can lead to groundbreaking results in basic physics. Black hole is one of the mysterious phenomena in the universe. Their gravity is so strong that even light is inevitable. Can they be a portal to another part of the universe? Or other universe? JWST will help you clarify these questions by opening the way of innovative discovery. There are billions of galaxies, and each galaxy contains billions of stars and planets, so the probability of extraterrestrial life looks high. Nevertheless, we did not find signals, spaceships, or visitors. This is a universe silence known as Fermi paradox. Finding a biotechnology in aliens can ultimately answer. The big explosion had to produce the opposite of the same amount of matter, but in most cases the universe was made of material. Why? JWST observation can help you solve this basic mystery, providing ideas for the power that forms the universe. Neutrino, which has almost no interaction with the substance, and the particles with almost no mass pass through the tank every second. Advanced JWST tools can provide a new understanding of their actions and their role in the evolution of the universe. JWST reveals the universe as if it shows billions of years ago. After capturing the light traveled for ions, it initially provides a picture of the universe. Each discovery he makes is closer to understanding us, the evolution of the galaxy, and the appearance of life itself. James Webb Space Telescope is not just a scientific tool. This is an innovative tool that changes our perception of existence. With each new image and dataset, he challenges long-term beliefs and allows scientists to ask new questions. Since the telescope continues to task, we are sure we understand more about how much it is known as we know. The universe is full of secrets and JWST has just begun to reveal them. there are many theories. Imagine that our universe is not the only person. Instead, it looks like a bubble on a huge foam of many universe, and each has its own rules and physics, respectively. It's amazing. But I was very angry because it was almost impossible to prove that it was almost impossible. Is there a universe that works completely in a different way? No one knows, but the possibility is endless. Now let's talk about what this is. Did you start with a big explosion? Or have you always been there? And according to physics, why does it flow in one direction when this can go anyway? This problem is not only a scientist of Bogley. They jump into the deep philosophical realm and force us to rethink us. This means being. Telescope James Webb also helps us return to the space of our children. The Space Microwave Oven Background, CMB, is similar to the painting of the universe immediately after a big explosion, but everything in this painting does not mean. There is a strange temperature fluctuation that does not correspond to how the universe develops. Is it a sign of a new physics we haven't found yet? Or are you reading the data wrong? For decades, scientists have been chasing the last dream of the only theory explaining everything. Now we have quantum epidemiology of super small things and general relativity for big universal things. But these two theories are not good. In one theory of quantum gravity, their combination is the holy grail of physics, and what do you guess? We are still far from hacking him. Have you ever heard about the universe? These are a huge empty space between the galaxy and the cluster. They are so wide and empty that they are almost difficult to wrap their heads. Nevertheless, this void plays a big role in the formation of the universe. Scientists are trying to find out why the universe exists when it is filled with stars and galaxies and what is empty. Can this space be the key to understanding dark substances and dark energy? Maybe. But they also remind them that the universe is missing and what is lacking there. What do you think about the possibility of understanding of the universe poor combined quantum epidemiology and general relativity? Listen to your thoughts in your opinion. Do not forget to love, subscribe, and share more interesting scientific content.